Start with a loop and then you continue with 6 chain stitches. Put them together to a ring using a slip stitch. Now crochet 3 chain stitches. The purpose of these stitches is to build up height that equals the height of a double crochet. So the chain substitutes the first double crochet. Now it's time to build the corners by crocheting 2 chain stitches. Continue with 3 double crochets again and 2 chain stitches to build the next corner. Continue with this pattern all the way until you get to where you started. Finish with 2 chain stitches and close with a slip stitch. And here's how the first section will look when it's finished. With the second color, begin with 3 chain stitches to substitute the first double crochet. Continue with 2 more double crochets, 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. This is the corner of the granny square. To compensate for the 3 double crochets in the middle, crochet 2 chain stitches. Then continue with the corner again. And complete the section this way. Crochet the 3rd color according to the same pattern. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.